Hello girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera and today I brought some wild animals for you to learn their names. Before learning them, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Welcome to the Zoo and it is now circled in yellow. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in yellow. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the zoo. Let's meet some animals to get a clue. Crocodiles swim in the pool so deep, while lizards lie in the sun and sleep. Zebras have stripes and gallop everywhere. A big and furry animal. What is it? It's a bear. There's also a lazy hippo that has a mouth that's big, with very little ears, and soon he goes to sleep. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, I'm going to introduce the vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word once, and then I am going to count up to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to say the word with me. Ready? Let's go. Zoo. 1, 2, 3. Zoo. Crocodile. 1, 2, 3. Crocodile. Lizard. 1, 2, 3. Lizard. Zebra. 1, 2, 3. Zebra. Bear. 1, 2, 3. Bear. Hippo. 1, 2, 3. Hippo. And now that we have learned the vocabulary words, we're going to read the poem one more time. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the zoo. Let's meet some animals to get a clue. Crocodiles swim in the pool so deep, while lizards lie in the sun and sleep. Zebras have stripes and gallop everywhere. A big and furry animal. What is it? It's a bear. There's also a lazy hippo that has a mouth that's big, with very little ears, and soon he goes to sleep. Okay, so now I have an activity for you. Here I have a zoo with the different tags of the animals, but there are no animals. Can you help me put the animal in the right place? Okay, thank you very much. So, let's see our first animal. What is it? It's a crocodile. And where is the sign that says crocodile? Here, very good. So the crocodile goes on that cage. Very good. Now let's see the next animal. A lizard. It is a lizard. And where is the sign that says lizard? Here, very good. So the lizard goes over there. Very good. Okay, our next animal is a zebra. And where is the sign that says zebra? That one, very good, over there. So the zebra goes there. Excellent. And our next animal is a bear. It's a bear. And the sign that says bear is there. Very good. So the bear goes over there. Very good. And last but not least, there is a hippo. It is a hippo and it's the hippo's head because it is swimming in the pool. And where's the sign that says hippo? Over there. And the hippo goes in the pool. Very good. So thank you very much for helping me. A big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.